Sup, bro? It's day 5 of documenting my journey of creating this app that teaches like space science and rocket science and math and physics. And yeah, today I've been thinking about like what is the thing that actually moves the needle, right? What is the thing that actually makes me progress the most in this, makes me take action and actually take action, not just planning like I've been doing, you know. And I just said like I didn't want to waste time, so I just started studying, you know, started studying C++. And well, I just went into AI and asked like how do pointers work in C++. And then it gave me a response, pretty good response to be honest. Then I watched a video, like there was a course, not course, a course. I think you understand. No, okay. There was a 2-hour course, and I watched like half an hour of that. And then the most important part, I did not just read and watch the content. I put a piece of paper. Like first, step 0, I watched the content, right? In a very focused way, and I was interested, and it was, sorry for that noise, and it was pretty good. Then I put a piece of paper, blank paper, and with my pencil I started writing down everything I could remember without looking at the source, without looking at the video, without looking at anything. Just from my mind, what can I retrieve? What I found out after watching a lot of videos about learning is that you don't, like, you learn the most by retrieving information from your brain, not putting it in, you know. So I just wrote down everything, like in no order, no particular order, you know, just everything I could remember. And then I tried to explain that. I tried to group that, you know. And I just spent like close to 40 minutes to an hour just doing that, and writing down, studying. And now I think I mean, it's been a couple hours, but I think I can explain what pointers are, you know, and some of the things. So let me test myself right now. This is like a way to learn better, you know. So okay, what are pointers in C++, you know? So from the top of my mind, pointers are like variables that, instead of storing a normal value, they store the memory address of another variable. So for example, we can have a variable number, you know, and this variable has the value 5. So number has the value 5, right? I just repeated myself, no problem. So, and then we have, under that we have a variable pointer, right? And this is like the int, for example, this is an integer, int, and the ampersand, I don't know how do you call that, bro. Just a multiplication symbol in programming, right? And then we get the name of the variable, and then we can assign the address of the variable number. But yeah, with the ampersand and the variable name. I'm explaining it like shit, but I swear to God, in my head it makes sense. I mean, it's a bit hard, you know, to explain it with just your words, without having like the code, without being able to write the code down, you know. But I'll show it on screen. What else can I say? So we got that. Yeah, the ampersand is for ampersand. I think I'm saying it right. That the ampersand is for accessing the address of the variable, and the star, like the multiplication symbol, the star, is for accessing the value of the variable. For example, we have the variable number, which has assigned the value 5, right? And then we have the pointer that has the value of the address, like has the address, memory address of the variable number. So we can get to the value, we can access the value of the variable number with the pointer. How do we do that? So we need to put the, if I recall correctly, it was the star symbol with the name of the pointer, and that will give us the value of the variable number. I think it would be so much better to just go into the PC and code and explain that, but anyways. And yeah, then that was like a part, right? Now the other part, then we have memory leaks. So if we just create a pointer, we have allocated new memory, and we have asked the operating system for memory, right? But then if we don't give that memory back to the operating system, we have like a memory leak. In C++ at least, we have like other programming languages where there's like garbage collector and stuff, but in C++ we do not have that. So we have to manually deallocate the memory, which means give back the memory to the operating system. And how do we do that? Well, we do that with the keyword delete and then pointer, you know? And that way we don't have memory leaks. Like if it's only one variable, then I mean no one is gonna crash, no program is gonna crash. But if we have like a very big program with a lot of user data, maybe we have an I saw an example in the video which said that there was an object. Imagine we have like 50,000 objects, 50,000 user objects, right? And those objects, each one of them has like images, has some text, has like stuff, like a lot of data, right? So imagine having 50,000 of those, and then like asking for that memory, for that big chunk of memory from the operating system, asking for a program. And then when the program when the program ends, we do not give it back. So it's just a very big memory leak, and it will crash the program, it will make everything slow. So we do not want that. For pointer variables, which means pointers that only store one value, we can just put delete and the name of the pointer. Now for arrays, to deallocate the whole memory from the array, we need to put delete, brackets indicating that it's an array, and then the name of the pointer. That's what I got. I think, to be honest, it was so easy to recall from my memory, but I don't know, to be honest, in my head it makes a lot of sense, and I believe that I have not explained it well, but at the same time I believe I have explained it very well, so it's a bit weird. I think it's just the confusion, bro, of the ampersand, of the star, bro, in the beginning. I don't know. But yeah, that's the progress that I've made today. And I wish you a very good day, my friend. Bye bye.